Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I want to share with you guys my first YSL handbag. If you're new to my channel, welcome. My name's Carla and on this channel I share ideas on fashion, beauty, and lifestyle. If these kinds of things interest you, then please subscribe down below. Okay guys, so here is the bag that the item came in. While I'm doing this unboxing, I'm actually going to share with you guys the experience that I had at the YSL or Saint Laurent store. I purchased this on my trip to Las Vegas, and I must admit that this experience was not the greatest. I will let you guys know in advance that this bag cost, I believe, $1,900. The receipt is in here, but it was about $1,900. And I think that for that price, the experience that I had could have been 10 times better. Here's the receipt. It does say Saint Laurent right on here. And let's see. So yes, this bag was $1,950 before tax. This was purchased at the Saint Laurent store at the Shops at Crystals, once again in Las Vegas, during my trip. So this is the box that it came in. I am really excited about the handbag. I have not opened it since I've gotten back. But yeah, let me just share my experience with you guys really quickly. So I was not planning on purchasing this handbag. I did not go to purchase this handbag. What I did go to Vegas pretty much on the hunt for, and what I pretty much knew I was not going to find, was the Louis Vuitton multi-pochette accessoire. I did not find it. I tried so many stores, but I decided I did have this on my wish list, so I was going to check it out. So I walked into the store. The sales associate there was more than welcoming. He was awesome. He was showing me all the bags. No issues with him at all. But this particular bag that I wanted, or the color that I wanted, they did not have in store. So they actually had to call another store to get it sent to me. Within about 2-3 hours, he had texted me telling me the bag was there. However, by the time I got there, he was no longer there. So the sales associate or SA that was there was not the person that I had previously. This person just handed me the bag, asked me if I wanted it, and literally that was my experience. He handed me the bag, I tried it on, tried out another bag just to see if it was really the bag I wanted, grabbed it, rung me up, and that was it. To some, that may not be a problem, but for me, I've purchased handbags from Louis Vuitton, from Chanel, from Gucci, all these stores, and my experiences have been amazing. Like, they offer me water, which, yeah, it's water, but still, I'm offered something, especially for the price that I'm paying. I'm offered champagne, all of those things. I've never purchased from Saint Laurent. Maybe this is how most purchases are, and I'm just expecting more than is to be expected. But yeah, whatever, that was my experience in a nutshell. And let's just get into this awesome bag. So apart from the experience, this bag is, I don't know, let's just see. I hope, and I pretty much know it's still gonna look exactly like I think it's going to look, but here it is in its dust bag, and here is the bag that I purchased. This is the YSL Lulu handbag. This is the YSL Lulu bag. I have it in a size small, and I wanted this in the dark smog color. So this is how it looks. This is the color I wanted. I know that people say that blacks, whites, beiges are neutrals, but I love gray as a neutral, and this gray has this blue undertone, which would look amazing with, navy blue outfits, just blue outfits in general. paired with just white t-shirts and blue jeans. I saw this bag and I was like, this is the style I wanted, and this is definitely the color combo I wanted. The dark smog with the gold hardware. So this is how the bag looks. This is the interior of the bag. It still has all of the, you know, blue tape all over it because once again, they had to get this from another store. I'm gonna take these out. This is the interior of the bag. It has this slot here, this slot right here, and then just this zipper right here, which has this little pocket. This zipper feels really, really sturdy. What is this? Not sure what this is, but it came in the bag. And yeah, there's really not much to this bag. I loved it because I'm pretty much going to use it as an everyday bag. I can use this bag crossbody. I can use this as a shoulder bag. I can bring the straps in, close it, and use it kind of like a clutch. So what I probably would do to keep the straps in place in here is get a big paper clip or a big safety pin and just keep the straps secure like that, so that the handle piece right here, which does say Saint Laurent right here, is not, you know, falling off or anything like that. The safety pin or paper clip, whichever one I choose, will keep the straps right here in place. And yeah, this is the bag that I chose. I just love it. I love it. I love the leather. It's nice. It's soft. It's just a beautiful piece. I will be sharing a review on this bag once I've worn it for a bit. I can't really say much about it because I'm just unboxing it now. But yeah, I will be sharing a review on it, see what the wear and tear is like. I am going to wear it every day, and just to see how it fits with most of my outfits, to see if my thought process or what I really expect of this bag to pretty much go with everything, to use it as a neutral, really ends up being the case. So stay tuned for that video, guys. Please remember to count your blessings and be grateful. Also remember to subscribe down below. Until next time.